Should I replace or repair my electric heater?
If your electric heater is not working, you might be wondering whether you should replace it or if it can be repaired. In this video, we'll explore the various factors to consider in making that decision.
What's the issue with your electric heater?
Before deciding to repair or replace, it's important to identify the root cause of the problem. Common issues include faulty thermostat, broken heating element, loose wiring, malfunctioning fan. If you're not comfortable diagnosing the problem yourself, consider hiring a professional technician.
Is the problem repairable?
Once you've identified the issue, determine if it can be repaired. Some problems, like a faulty thermostat or loose wiring, can be easily fixed. However, if the issue is more complex, such as a broken heating element or a worn-out fan, repairs may be more expensive or even impossible.
What's the cost of repair versus replacement?
Compare the cost of repairing your electric heater to the price of purchasing a new one. If the repair cost is more than half the cost of a new heater, it might be more economical to replace it. Don't forget to factor in the age and efficiency of your current heater, as a new one might save you money on energy bills in the long run.
Is your electric heater energy efficient?
Modern electric heaters are more energy efficient than older models. If your current heater is more than 10 years old, it might be worth upgrading to a newer, more energy efficient model. This can help reduce your energy consumption and save money on your utility bills. Ultimately, the decision to repair or replace your electric heater depends on the root cause of the problem, repair costs, and the age and efficiency of your current heater. Weigh these factors to make an informed decision that best suits your needs and budget.